Okay, I'm going to show you my contest video, but I just had to tell you right quick. It's snowing right here in Texas. Check it out. Can you see that? And just yesterday, it was 70 degrees. That's Texas for you. Warning, the following video may not be suitable for anyone of any age, especially those with 20/20 vision, a heart condition, or a weak stomach. That being said, I know you're going to watch. Hello everyone. Hello Shay. You know, I was pissed at you before because I already lost 30 pounds on the Shayloss diet, and sure, now you start a contest. Well, alright. I wasn't going to join up on the contest, but I got to thinking this is actually a pretty cool contest because everybody wins. Everybody wins. I love it. So I'm joining in. I've got some more weight to lose, and we're going to see what happens. Right now, I guess I need to show you what I look like and then weigh myself. So I'm going to get my daughter to help me. Ashley, I need you to help me real quick. Where are you? Oh, there you are. I need you to help me real quick. Come on. Okay. Here. Turn the camera on me.
At least pressed. Okay, go.
Go. This is me. This is what I look like before, okay? Now come on with me. Come on. Hurry. Excuse the mess. We still have Christmas present wrappings everywhere.
Yes, 3, baby.
All right. Take 2.
Paula, you followed.
Dun dun dun. There. See? See everybody? I gained some back on my break, my diet break. Way more than I even thought it was possible I could gain back. But I guess you lose big, you gain big. There you go. Subscribe, rate, comment. Bye.